I want you to hear this today, church. If you're not finding fulfillment, if you're often anxious, unsettled, things just aren't quite right, the Lord wants to shift the direction of your heart. The Holy Spirit is speaking to you and saying, hey, remember me? Or maybe you've never opened that door in your heart, whether it's for the first time or a door you shut and didn't even realize you shut. And let the Spirit of God come into your life and refocus what it is that you love. Jesus said it plainly. Where your treasure is, there your heart will be also. Find your treasure in the Lord. Transformation that happens in the heart. It's not just a Sunday habit, but it's a lifelong journey, and it's a choice we make. And when that happens, suddenly love looks less like a feeling and more like a decision. A decision to receive Jesus as Lord, to allow his Spirit into your heart, into your life, and begin to reorient your treasure.